All right, Rob Frazier here. Wanted to drop a video how to get 500 clicks per day for any affiliate marketing offer using my 4 for free programs. 4 for free programs consist of 4 programs that you can join for free that will get you at least 500 clicks per day. This right here is my tracking for my capture page. Past 7 days, let me pull up my calculator here. 3135 divided by 7. That's 447. But right here is what I'm focused on. Real clicks. Real people clicking my page. 4697 divided by 7 over the past 7 days. 671 clicks per day. I'll even take it a step further, see the unique views on my page. 6622 divided by 7, 946. And that's utilizing this 4 for free. Again, 4 programs. Underneath this video, you can opt in. Click on the link underneath this video. Go to this page, come down here, watch the video, click here, join program 1. You just create free accounts. Click here, join program 2. Come down here, program 3, program 4, and then I'll reach out to you and get you the next steps.